And today I am going to teach you the chapter integer, and it's the second video of this chapter, okay? And first of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, student. And today I'm going to teach you the addition and subtraction related word problems of integers, okay? And it goes like this. Okay, first of all, welcome. Okay, welcome you all. Okay, see here. Now, next one. It's a topic. Now, question number one here. What integers should be added to 25 to get 925? Let the integer, this is solution, okay? Let the integer be a, then a plus 25. This one added 25, the answer is minus 25, or a equals to minus 25 is minus 25 when it goes here minus 25, or a equals to minus 50, minus 25 minus 25 add minus 50. Therefore, minus 50 should be added to 25 to get minus 25. We have to add answer like this, okay? See here, next one. Its next one is like this again. What integers should be subtracted from minus 45 to get minus 30? Then we have to let the integer be a, which should be subtracted from minus 45 to get minus 30. Then minus 45 minus a equals minus 30. Okay, it's subtracted minus 45. No, that's right. Now, or minus 4. When minus 30 comes this side, it will be plus 30. Then when minus a goes this side, it will be plus a. Okay. Then minus and plus sign, we have to subtract. Minus 45 plus 30 means 15, and 15 remains from 45, that which has a negative sign. Okay. Therefore, minus 15 should be subtracted from minus 45 to get minus 30. Okay. So we have to subtract minus 15 from minus 45, then answer will come to minus 30. Okay. Now look at next one. The sum of the two integers is minus 125. If the greatest integer is 180, what is the smaller integer? Okay. Let the smaller integer be a. According to question, 180 plus a equals to minus 125. Okay, when we add 180 plus a, then it gives minus 125. It's given here already present. Then a equals to right here only 180 go this side minus 180 minus minus. Then both negative, then we have to add, but sign remain minus. Okay, keep in mind that. Okay, this is very important. Minus minus added, but sign remains minus 305. The right answer. Therefore, the smaller integer a equals to minus 305 answer. Okay. Like this, you have to look this question now. An ant moves 4 centimeter on the right side uh, of the point of reference, and from that, okay, 0.7 centimeter on the left side. Okay, represent the information on a number line. What is the difference between difference? Okay, this one. What is the distance? Okay, what is the distance moved from the point of reference by the ant? Okay, then here solution. We have to draw the number line, and this point of origin starting from origin, and move from here to here. Okay, 4 centimeter, and from this one it moves this side. Okay, and how many step there? 7 centimeter on the left side. Then it is up to minus 305. Okay, now it is asking to find the distance. Okay, uh, total distance moved by the ant. Okay, now here solution. When you find the total distance, we have to use the modular sign, because distance calculated in positive only. That's why I put in modulus one. Okay, this absolute sign one, plus 4 centimeter and minus 7 centimeter. Then when you 4 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, it will be 11 centimeter. Therefore, the distance moved from the point of reference by the and is 11 centimeter. That's what. Okay. Here, the maximum and minimum temperature of the day of the month are plus 14 degrees Celsius and 3 degrees Celsius. Okay. What is the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature? Ask me to find the difference. Okay. Maximum temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now the difference means we have to subtract them. And minus in the minus is plus, and 14 degrees Celsius and 3 degrees is added. Then the difference can 17 degrees Celsius. Okay. We have to find out like the difference came just now what the difference was there 17 degrees Celsius. Okay. This was the answer. This was the difference of the two temperature difference. Okay. Now look here. Two buses depart from the same bus station. At the same time, one of them travels 75 kilometers to the east and another travels 95 kilometers to the west. Find the distance between the buses using the absolute value of the integer is asking here. Now, solution right. Then 75 degrees, sorry, 75 kilometers this is, and this is 95, 90, minus 95 kilometers. Then we have to put in absolute sign, this is modular sign, okay, this is, it will give what? Positive value only, and 75 kilometers, it will also give 95 kilometers. When you add them, you will get 170 kilometers, then right answer. Therefore, the distance between the buses is 170 kilometers, right? Okay. Now next look here, the Garima makes the profit of rupees 125 by selling oranges and makes loss of rupees 85 by selling the bananas. Okay, what is the loss or profit in the whole transaction? Solution: profit equals to rupees 125, loss equals to rupees 85. Then profit is zero, then loss, and of course there is profit. Profit equals to this 125 minus 85 subtraction, we will get to this 40. The right answer, which is 40 is the profit in the whole transaction answer. Okay. Look here. Sumana is okay. Sumana is 6 kilometers east from the point of reference. Okay, and the Susan is 4 kilometers to the west from the same point of the reference. Number one, show the information on a number line. Okay, using the integers. Okay, find the distance between them using the absolute value of the integers. Okay, and here solution first will draw number line. Okay, here one unit equals second there. The number line in the number line is into 1 kilometer, and here look at from here this is the point of reference. Sumana is here 6 kilometers. Okay, this side, and from this point of view, this student is here 4 kilometers. Okay, on the left side. Okay, and toward now this is shown in what number line. Okay, this is Sumana and this is student, and here now after this solution now. The distance between them is absolute value plus 6 kilometers plus minus 4 kilometers, and when it comes outside of the absolute sign, this is modular sign, it will be positive. 6 kilometers plus 4 kilometers is equal to 10 kilometers. Then we can add, therefore the distance between them is 10 kilometers. From here to here is 10 kilometers. Okay, like this as final. And now see here another one. This is assessment. Okay, I have given here questions. Okay, what integers should be added to 85 to get minus 25? Okay, what integers should be subtracted from minus 15 to get minus 20? Okay, the sum of the two integers is minus 100. If the greatest integer is 200, what is the smaller integer? Like similar question we have done in the example one only. I hope you can do this up easily. Okay, let's keep practicing mathematics. Okay, thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy, and happy.
Give me all they feelings, yeah. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.